Kanye West has finally made it to the point of no return when it comes to his problematic behavior in the media and the damage he's caused because of it. West is finally being shown disapproval from his collaborators, his art is tarnished forever, and his personal circle continues to shrink after every misdeed. While West has quite the long history of erratic and harmful behavior, it seems he's only just beginning to see meaningful repercussions for it. That being said, while his fan base has taken a hit, he's far from forgotten. According to a recent report from the Rolling Stone, Kanye's behavior has been escalating for a while, part of that being due to his history of public misogyny. Last month, he uploaded a 30-minute documentary to YouTube in which he shows Adidas executives explicit videos on his phone during a business meeting. That is wildly inappropriate on its own, but according to the Rolling Stone story, the rapper allegedly showed an intimate photo of his ex-wife Kim Kardashian to a potential employee and an explicit video of her to Yeezy creatives in 2018. Does it surprise me that there are claims about West showing intimate footage of Kim without her permission? No. These alleged acts are violence towards Kim, hypersexualizing her, and just crossing so many lines when it comes to her privacy. The public already looks at Kardashian in an exploitive way, and while it's totally okay for her to sexualize herself, it is such a violation when Kanye does it without her consent or even her awareness. The allegations from Rolling Stone are believable given what he's shared about other women in his past. In 2015, he slammed his ex when he said, "It's very hard for a woman to want to be with someone that's been with Amber Rose. I had to take 30 showers before I got with Kim." Some of his most cruel behavior targets black women specifically. His ongoing support of Donald Trump, his Tucker Carlson interview, and his White Lives Matter t-shirts during the Yeezy fashion show felt designed to distress black women in particular. In October, Vogue editor Gabriella Carifa Johnson criticized the shirt, saying, "There's no excuse, there's no art here." Kanye responded to her by bullying her online, her appearance in particular. Black women have enough on their plate, they don't also need Kanye West and his remaining fans to cause any further issues. Despite how you feel about Kim or Kanye, it is unsettling the lack of public response to West sharing her intimate images without her knowledge and in highly inappropriate settings. Maybe it is in part due to the lack of popularity Kim has, but regardless, no one should have anything intimate shared without their consent, period. Even if Kim posts naked or in bikinis or walks around in sexy clothing or releases a sex tape, she still, believe it or not, has a right to privacy and to say no to something being shared. What are your thoughts on this whole situation? What do you think Kim's thoughts are, and what do you think will come out about Kanye next? Let me know all of your thoughts in the comments below.